Welcome to problem 15, take 3. Thanks to somebody. No names will be given. The problem. The Tokyo Express is uniformly accelerated from rest at one acceleration for 1 minute. How far does it travel during this time? For this problem, you have specific givens. You have an initial velocity of 0. You have an acceleration of 1. You have a time of 60 seconds. And you're trying to find the distance and the final velocity. Okay, so because this is a two-step problem, first you have to find the final velocity in order to find out your distance. So what you're going to want to do is plug in your numbers. Okay, so your numbers are plugged in, and if you needed to see that, you're kind of stupid. Okay, so now that you have your formula set up, it's time to solve. So 60 times 1 is 60, plus 0 equals 60. Wow, you're smart. This makes your final velocity equals 60. Okay, so now that you have your final velocity, you can plug it back into your givens, and now you know that all you're trying to find is distance or displacement. Okay, so now that you have figured out your final velocity, you can now solve for distance. So, shush. So as you're solving for distance, this is the formula you're going to use. Final velocity squared equals initial velocity squared plus 2 times acceleration and distance. Plug it in. Okay, so now that you have your formula plugged in, you solve for D. Okay, so as you break down the problem, 60 squared equals 3,600. 0 squared cancels out to 0. 2 times 1 equals 2, and 2 times D is what you come when you simplify. That's what you come down to. And what you're gonna do is divide off 2, and D is gonna equal 1800 m, and that is your final answer. And now that you have your answer, you can engage in some activities such as partying with your friends, because you just finished, so everybody's all happy. You can put some balloons in there, switch up the colors a little bit, or you can make a video about it like I did, because videos are cool.
No, they're not.
Or you can sit next to Brianna and have her complain.
I don't complain.
This will be you when you're listening to her.
Wrong.
I'm sorry. This will be you when you're listening to her. And this is her making all her complaints.
That is an ugly picture of me. I do not appreciate it.
And this is me, be quiet, leave me alone, da-da-da-da-da. But the fact of the matter is, you got your problem right, so good job there. Have a nice day.